Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw a haunted house. For this drawing, I'm going to use a pencil and a black pen. The first step is to draw a slight hill for the house to go on. Next, draw a series of 3 rectangles, the taller one in the middle. You could have the vertical lines, the upright lines of these rectangles sort of getting closer as they go up the page. Now we can add a simple roof structure on the left and right. And then in the middle part of the building, we could add a sort of wedge-like roof on the tallest part of the house with some metal spikes at the top of it. Now that's the basic shape of the house that we need. Next, we could add a veranda around the lower part of the house, like a thin roof going all the way around, wrapping around the house. We could just sketch in a few uprights for this veranda roof as well. Now draw a door at the base of the taller tower, the taller of the 3 rectangles that we drew. And we could extend the hill a little bit too, and just sketch in some more lines to show steps leading towards the house from where we are viewing it. Next, we could add some windows. I'll draw a window in the roof, a dormer window. Then we could draw some other shaped windows. We could draw ovals or arched windows, or windows, sort of Gothic windows with points at the top, and rectangular windows. Just draw a range of windows. Draw a shutter. You could draw a shutter unhinged at an angle. You could also add a keystone, like a triangular sort of flat-based triangular stone at the top and in the middle of some of the windows. We could add a bit more to the corners of the roof. And at the top of the roof, we could draw some more spikes and ironwork. You could add some more windows to the side here. Draw some planks of wood across some of the windows. At the front, we could draw some pillars, some tall posts, either side of the steps, and then a few more details for our haunted house. Once you have the basic sketch okay, then draw a big circle behind the haunted house for the moon. And then in front of the drawing we could add a sort of twisted iron railings. If you have some space, you could draw a sort of gnarled tree on the left or the right, and the twigs of the tree could look a bit like bony hands. And then draw some bats in the sky for the front of the moon. The bats just have tiny little heads with little pointy ears, and then a curved body with semicircles below. In front of the house, we could erase some of the pencil drawing in a small area, and then we could draw a ghost. I guess to draw a ghost we just need to draw some eyes and not much else. You could also add some lines of wood to the outside of the building at maybe some odd angles, and maybe some tombstones in the garden too. Once you have the details that you would like, you could go over your drawing in pen, and then some soft pencil for the moon, and then I think for this drawing I'll do some darker pencil shading for the sky. You could make the sky darker than this, but I think I'll just have it a pale tone so that it makes the moon look brighter. Thank you very much for watching this video from Circle Line Art School. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe.